Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can follow the accounts that show up on your home feed on Threads app. So, let's get started. Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the Threads app. Now, browse to the profile which you want to follow. You can see a little plus icon beside the DP of the account you want to follow. Tap on the plus button and then select the follow. And that's it. This is how you can follow a person that shows up on your home feed on Threads app. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we'll love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.